What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Measurable Data Token MDT, which has pumped up in value quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is up just about 26%, making it just over 3 cents in value. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and especially looking at, is this a crypto worth investing into, especially with 2023 just around the corner? Is it a must-have crypto in your wallet, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website right now. The market is down just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, MDT has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list, as you guys can clearly see here. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop 2%, over the last day 25%. As you can see, was fluctuating around the 2 cents target, pumped all the way up to about nearly hitting the 3 cents, or did hit the 3 cents late last night, dropped back down, and right now hovering over the 3 cents target. Over the week 22%, and over the month an overall 28% up. So as you guys can see, going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has also gone up by a massive nearly 2,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $44 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Measurable Data Token. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 45% buy against 55% sell, so it does look like we've got way more people selling the crypto rather than investing into it. So let's get straight into it. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, guys, and we've got the purple line at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of MDT, which at the moment is at 0.02707. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 0.03305, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line is slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is flat out going in a straight line. So more or less, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value on MDT over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should be dropping down to around the 3 cents target is what my predictions are. And again, it doesn't mean we're going to see a major drop out of nowhere. It is going to be a slow and steady drop in value, but again, we are also going to see green candles in between, so don't expect it to be consistently hitting red candles. Of course not. It is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking much more positive. We've got both the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. They're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected over the coming coming days. So by mid next week, we should be trading around the current price range between 0.033 to 0.034 is what my predictions are. And again, that doesn't mean it's going to be staying at its current price range for the rest of the week, for the next 7 days. Of course not. It is going to drop. It is going to peak up in value, red and green candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. So more or less fluctuating at the current price range is what my predictions are over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we've got both the blue line and the orange line once again looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Now they're looking a little bit more steep than the previous chart. So guys, an overall increase in value is again expected over the coming weeks. So late November to early December, we should expect an overall increase in value heading towards the 4 cents target is what my predictions are. Hopefully we should be around the 4 cents target in early December. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs. Obviously, if we do see Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k, we are going to see major drops in the crypto market, including MDT. However, if we do see major increases, bull runs, price pumps, and so on, for example, Bitcoin jumping up to 30-35k, then yes, we are going to see major increases as well. But so far, it is looking more on the positive side. So hopefully we can stay that way. And of course, Bitcoin has been trading at 19k for the past 2.5 weeks. So it hasn't been too great. But overall, more or less, guys, I am expecting us to slowly and steadily increase in value over the coming weeks. And any changes to that, if there are any major updates or major decreases or price bumps or anything like that I am predicting, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, guys, we are trading in the red zone at the moment. It is not looking too good. As you can see, we are in the lowest, not in the lowest, but around the mid part of the red zone. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to at least 5 cents in target, which we are not very far away from. So it is likely to hit that target, let's say very late this year or even early next year. We may be able to hit the 5 cents target. But again, I will need to keep you guys updated on this as much as I can. So if you guys want regular updates on MDT, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on MDT. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Let me know what your expectations are. What is the highest or lowest figure you guys predict MDT to hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around MDT. So yeah, comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next MDT update. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on this crypto, as it was a highly requested video in my Instagram DMs on what to do next. Again, for those of you looking to invest right now, personally, I wouldn't invest into it right now. Or I would wait for it to drop a little bit further below the 3 cents target and then I'll invest into it. But again, this is a crypto which I am holding, and again, I bought this a couple of months ago and I'm still holding on to it. I haven't bought more, I haven't sold it. I'm just going to be holding on to it for the long run. Hopefully it does go up in value. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.